Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can install the updates for the Windows operating system. If I wanted to update, there is a shortcut key Windows and I button on your keyboard. It will take you to the settings. And there is also an option for Windows Update. You can click Windows Update. If you notice, it is actually updated and it is asking me to restart. If I wanted to schedule the restart after some time, I can schedule the restart at my convenient time and I can click on schedule restart. If I wanted to install all the updates and then restart, I can click install all and then restart. Straight away, if I restart, it will restart. There is also an option, if you enable, it will automatically get the updates as soon as it is available from the Microsoft site. If you wanted the updates to be paused while it is running, you can pause the updates. If you wanted to see the previous installed updates, you can click Update History. It will take you to the update history and it will list all the updates which has been installed. It will also tell you what are the updates which has been installed for the operating system and also for the drivers for other updates and also for security updates. If you wanted to uninstall any update, you can come here and select the updates which you wanted to uninstall. If there is any application which is not working and you wanted to uninstall certain patches or updates, you can come here and uninstall. If you click Advanced option, this option will enable or disable to get the updates for all the Microsoft products, including the Office and other Microsoft applications. If you wanted to update when you are using some kind of metered connection, like when you are in a hotel where the internet charges are charged, and if you are using the mobile data where it is costly, then you can disable this option. If you wanted to enable, then you can enable and install the update even though it is metered connection. Whenever there is an update and it requires a restart, you can come and select Notify. If you wanted to schedule an update during your non-working hours, you can schedule manually and enter the time at which time you wanted to apply the updates.